Nadungog din ako yung ting. Ikaw din singgit. Hello, kid. How are you?
Sayo ko karon kay sabi ako ang ayuhon ako sa.
Kani pag singgitin ko na si Kitty.
Tanawa sala ni Janie.
Hala, correct.
Tanawa ni.
Wa pagyapon.
Iyon niya na kay mali ko. Luoy ko kang papa kay nangayo in tawon siya og 10 minutes extension gahapon kay na late ko sa kaluoy. Sayo na lang idato ni mo sa
Correct.
na. Sige dadto.
Wala ka nag... So wala ka nag-boots?
Wala oy kapulong ko katawan pag ko.
Yan.
Kuan kaya na si bully baya na si PRD.
Pagkadungog na ko.
Ko si Alvin man to.
Gani. Gani, pagkadungog na ko. Wala si Kitty man to. Na-late na ko 5 minutes.
Sabi ko lang, na-late lagi siya.
Wala,
Wala
wala.
ko sing-sing.
Gani, nice kaya sing-sing mo.
Luag kay sa ako amay naka
Wala na siya na. Wala na ka jet lag.
12 hours kaya ayaw ko natulog. Uy.
Very good. You know, you're very lucky with the weather ba?
Kabugan
At tinuod kasi grabe katugno before. A
Lagi.
week before.
Kung
Pag-abot
ano,
ni mo.
samad-samad to akong kamot o pag-aana, di mo mahulihan sa mga PRD. Pag-aana o mas daghan pa kog amora pa kog mas tigulang sa iya ha kay ang wrinkles sa akong kamot. Nagawa sa katugnaw. Siya hamis na ay.
Correct. Kit, say our greetings to your father, ha?
I will.
Laban
As
lang always.
Thank you kaayo.
You're welcome, oy.
Bangs. Hindi anak ko magpakuha.
Magkita na, yan, later na
Kita
magchika.
lang taon niya. Sayo
Greetings,
ko kayo
Kit.
para ano.
Ingat.
Sa iya.
Bye-bye.
Mi, salamat ha.
Ayun na si Kitty. Papasok na po siya. Veronica Kitty Duterte, welcome back to the Netherlands. How are you today?
I'm good, Finn. Thank you for asking. Okay lang. Medyo, I think nilalabanan pa rin yung jet lag. I just arrived this morning around 8 a.m. I think. And then, I was supposed to visit 2 days ago pa, but my flight got delayed since I think most of you know na galing ako ng hospital. I got discharged around 3 days ago. So, tuloy pa rin yung flight, syempre, pero a bit delayed lang.
Kit, on behalf of the Filipino community here in The Hague and all over the world, belated happy birthday to you. We know na nag-celebrate ka ng birthday mo sa hospital. Do you have any wishes for this year celebration for your birthday?
I think still the same, no? Well, pinalaki kaming ganun, so I treat my birthday as just a normal day and same as my siblings. Kasi yun yung turo ng papa namin. Maybe the same wish that Tatay Digong will be brought home, alive, happy, healthy, safe, and sound.
Kitty, how's former President Duterte today?
He looks good, actually. I was surprised. Kaya, contrary to the, ano ba yung mga abog dito? Contrary to the, past few times na I visited na medyo parang emotional ako, he looked good today. Pagdating niya, sabi niya, wow, mas lalo daw akong gumanda. Kasi naka-lipstick ako kanina. Sabi ko kaya, Papa, wag mo ako paiyakin kasi naka-lipstick ako ngayon. He looked good and he has a message for everyone. Try to remember it in verbatim. He said, nangangamusta ako sa inyong lahat. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Daghang salamat sa loyalty and I hope I will be able to repay it soon. Balang araw daw. And ayun, even sa mga tao, even sa supporters na all over, not just OFW, sa buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat for your loyalty.
Did the former president greeted you on your birthday, Kit? Did the former president greeted you on your birthday?
Yes, he did greet me kasi tumawag kami. He calls me 4 times a week. He greeted me, I think, the day before my birthday kasi walang calls on Friday and then my birthday fell on a Friday. So, naka-greet pa rin siya. But I was in the hospital at that time. And then pagtawag niya, sabi niya, happy birthday, ganun. Nung magsalita ako, sabi niya, parang may sakit ka, parang iba. Doon ko na inamin na I was in the hospital. Kasi, alam niya eh. Sabi niya, Papa always knows. Papa can discern.
Kit, welcome back to the Netherlands. Just to conclude this really short interview, do you have a message to the Filipino people all over the world?
Well,
Uh,
it's the same, no? For my fellow men, for the Filipinos, for the supporters, daghang salamat sa walay undang nga paghigugma o pagsuporta. I cannot meet you all, obviously, sa sobrang dami nyo, but I hope to meet you all soon to show my gratitude and ayun, sana I hope that matupad yung dream ni Tatay Digong na balang araw to repay all of you for the unwavering loyalty you showed, the whole family. Daghang salamat.
Kit, just one last question. The reading for the decision of the Appeals Chamber sa jurisdictional challenge will be on the 22nd of April. Will you be there or will you be here during that time?
I will be here in the Netherlands, though I won't be there sa
Okay.
hearing mismo.
Alright.
Like all the times before, ayaw ni PRRD pumunta. Hindi na, we don't bother na din. So,
Okay. Thank you, Kit. Welcome
Thank
back
you.
and mabuhay ka.
thank you, Vin.